Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This fella's your host, Bill Miller. Super excited today because we are doing a mystery unboxing of some original comic book art. Now, it's not a total mystery. I know the character, I just don't know I can't remember the artist. I think I know the series, I don't remember the issue. So, partial mystery to me, total mystery to you. But let's get started. Let's find out by opening up this box. So it is one interior page. That I do know. As I said, I know the title, but we'll leave that as a surprise. Trusty box cutter made for right-handers. All right. Alright, I think we've got everything cut. Let us see. I'm not going to lay this out on the floor. Well, it's packed pretty good. So this was within that giant cardboard box. Got some more cutting to do. All right. Maybe that's it. Let's see. Well, that's about it for the plastic. Now, we got to cut the cardboard. Alright, I'm going to try and be careful. If I had my rathers, I'd rather not cut into the board. Maybe that did it. Maybe not. Okay. All right. It's taped to the bottom of this one. Oi. See if I can get this tape off. We're almost there, I promise. All right, we've got it. So, this is Savage Sword of Conan, number 115, page 63. And let's take it out of here, because we also have a nice backing board for it. see if there's anything on the back. No, just a lot of smudges on the back. This is not signed. The penciler's Henry Bismuth, and the inker is the incomparable Rudy Nebris. So super excited. It's my first Savage Sword of Conan original art, and I'm just ecstatic to have it. Now, if I did know what the issue was, and I had it, I could show them side by side. Ooh, that's not a bad idea. Be right back. And we're back. And I do have that issue. This is Savage Sword of Conan number 115. A Joe Jusko cover. So let's open this guy up and take a look at page 63. And there it is. What a trip. Since it's black and white and magazine size, it's really rich in detail, and other than like a treasury size, it's about as close to the original art as you can get. So we'll do a side by side. So there you have it. Pretty cool, right? Savage Sword of Conan, issue number 115, page 63. So that is our original art for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. I certainly enjoyed showing it to you. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new content. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.